In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Cursor AI on Windows 11 step by step so you can get the app downloaded and ready to use in just a few minutes. Cursor is a powerful AI coding editor, and installing it properly on Windows is the first step to start working faster and smarter. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more clear software tutorials just like this one. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to cursor.com/download. This is the official Cursor download page, and it's always best to use the official website so you know you're getting the latest and safest version. Once the page loads, you'll see different download options depending on your operating system. Since we're installing on Windows 11, look for the Windows version. Cursor makes it simple by giving you the right installer for your system. On Windows, you may see different installer options such as system or user installers. The system installer is usually better if you want Cursor installed for all users on the computer, or if you're working on a machine that needs broader permissions. The user installer is a good choice if you just want it installed for your own Windows account without affecting other users. Go ahead and choose the Windows download option that fits your setup. After you click the download button, wait for the installer file to finish downloading. Depending on your browser, the file may appear in the downloads bar or in your downloads folder. Once the download is complete, open the installer file to begin the setup process. Windows may show a security prompt asking if you want to allow the app to make changes to your device. That's normal for software installation, so click Yes to continue. The Cursor setup window should now open. Follow the on-screen instructions and let the installer finish copying the necessary files to your computer. This part usually only takes a short time. When the installation is complete, Cursor may launch automatically, or you may need to open it from your Start menu or desktop shortcut. If it opens right away, you're good to go. If not, just search for Cursor in the Windows 11 search bar and launch it from there. At this point, Cursor is installed on your Windows 11 PC and ready for setup inside the app. You can sign in, explore the interface, and start using its AI-powered coding features. The main thing is that the installation process itself is simple. Go to the official download page, choose Windows, download the installer, and run it on your computer. If you're following along and this helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. I'll keep making easy guides like this to help you install and use software without the confusion. And that's how to install Cursor AI in Windows 11. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.